Hi everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. It's been a few months since I did my last video, but I thought let's start with a nice Easter centerpiece. I bought this basket at the dollar store. I really like the shape of it. I'm going to be just laying my flowers into it. So I put some sponge and I put some paper in just to raise up the bottom level. I'm going to use mostly tulips and little crocuses because they say spring to me. So let's get started. Like I said, we're just going to layer them in. So let's set them in. As I put them in, I try to keep them a little bit balanced. So I've got some of the whites on the bottom. I've got some pinks. I'm going to use some more pinks across this way. I'm doing the bigger flowers first, and then I'm going to layer in the little crocuses. So these are the bulk of my flowers. For in the center, I thought I'd do something a little different. Because it's Easter, I'm going to put mostly eggs in the center. I also have these little berries, and they have a little bit of sparkle. And I'm going to put those in as well. So we're going to put some eggs. These are all little eggs that I've had from last year. I bought them at the dollar store. So we can put them in. Some of these ones I got, they come on a stick. So they make it easy for putting in. And you know, as always, just kind of look at it, make sure everything's sitting where you want it to. Maybe pull some out, push some in. Look at both sides. Well, yeah, I think that looks very nice. So now, if you don't want to do the eggs in the center, this is a different little way to go. So let me show you a different little way to finish off the center. I'm going to take out some of these eggs. I'm going to put some more in back here that are on the sticks. So I have these little bunny rabbits. I bought these last year at the dollar store. And I'm just going to place these. Oops. Just kind of walk around, make sure everything's staying where you want it to stay. Check the front. Move your flowers around. And that's just another look. So let's put it on our table and see how it looks. We're going to set it in the center of the table. Took the rabbit out because he keeps falling out. So we'll put him back in when the basket's sitting. There we go. A few little things I added to finish off the table. I added some more little rabbits and a few little eggs. I've also added candles because all tables should have a candle. For my placemats, I used the same kind of texture that we have in the basket. And then on my napkins, I just added a simple ribbon around them. I've done a plain napkin, and then I added these little Easter egg napkins because they add a little bit of touch of whimsy and color. I hope you liked our Easter centerpiece. Please hit like and subscribe, and join us in a few weeks. We're going to do a Mother's Day table.